Hello Anna, hello Kevin.
Hello teacher.
How are you?
Ready.
So today we are going to study the animal of sea, the sea animal. Okay?
Yes,
Okay. You are ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Ready. So Kevin, where is the shark?
Shark.
Very good. Give me the shark. Kevin, very good. Is
Shark.
it shark? What is this?
Shark.
Is it danger or safe?
Virtual.
Danger. It is beautiful or ugly? Ugly. Do you love shark? No or yes? No, you do or yes, you don't? No. Jerry is Kevin. Very good. And Anna, where is the shrimp? Anna. Shrimp. Yay, very good. What is this?
Shrimp.
Shrimp. Very good. Is it beautiful or ugly? Beautiful or ugly?
Beautiful.
It is yummy, yucky.
Yummy.
What's color of the shrimp? It is yellow or white?
White.
White. Very good, Anna. Kevin, what is the turtle?
Turtle.
Very good, Kevin. Very good. And what is this?
Turtle.
Oh, very good. It is beautiful or ugly?
Beautiful.
Beautiful or ugly?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. It is danger or safe? Safe. Very good. It is big or small?
A big.
Big. Very good.
Big and before.
And Anna, where is the crab? Crab. Crab. Very good. Crab. Give me that. What is this? Crab. What's the color of the crab? It is brown or red or orange?
Alright.
Orange. Very good. Is beautiful or ugly? Beautiful or ugly?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Very good. Jerry, where is the seahorse?
Three.
Very good. This is the seahorse. Very good. What color of the seahorse?
Three.
Yellow or green?
Yellow.
Yellow. Very good. Is beautiful or ugly?
Beautiful.
It is yummy or yucky?
Yummy.
Yummy. Very good. And where is Ray? Anna. Ray. Very good, Anna. What's color of the ray? It is blue or purple?
Blue.
Blue. Very good, Anna. It is beautiful or ugly?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Very good, Anna. So what is this, Anna? Please tell me. What is this? This shrimp. Very good. And what is this? Crab.
Crab.
Very good. And what is this? Ray. Very good. Very good, Anna. Kevin, tell me. What is this?
Shark.
Shark. Very good. And what is this?
Plane.
The sea? Sea?
Sea.
Horse.
Seahorse.
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 Very good. And what is this?
Road.
Turtle.
Turtle.
Very good. Give me a high five. High five. Yay. Goodbye.